Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Davie-Ann here. I hope you guys are being kind, spreading love, and all of the positive stuff. If you're not already a part of the butterfly family, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Join your girl. We do luxury unboxing, try-on hauls, little random videos, how to make passive income. So any of those stuff interests you, join your girl. And if you're already a part of the butterfly family, welcome back. Today we're just doing an update on one of my favorite designer bags out there. It's teddyblake. I absolutely love this bag, this brand, excuse me. If you haven't watched the video of me unboxing their stuff, go ahead and watch it. I'll put it in my description so it's easier for you. But I wanted to do an update, right? I have this, wow, I'm scrambling for words. What would you call it? I have this playlist, there we go. I have this playlist that's only about affordable luxury items, and teddyblake is one of my favorite go-tos amongst others. And so I wanted to go ahead and do a recap here of this beautiful bag. I am obsessed with this bag. I've never worn this bag and not getting compliments, and every time I wear her I feel like I just have to do the most. No, but I just love how you can really make a statement with this bag, or I can wear a plain bag and keep it simple, and the bag helps just like bring my outfit out. But outside of that, the quality of the bag, the beauty of the bag is why I love teddyblake so much. I have other bags from them, but I just wanted to highlight this one because this was the one that was sent to me and that I unboxed. So this video is sponsored by teddyblake, by the way. But I love them. I would advocate for them for sure. Guys, I've had this bag, I would say, if you remember the last video, if it's not a year, it's definitely close. And it looks brand new. It looks super brand new. The quality is still amazing. There's not scratches. Like, I have to say, the upkeep of the leather, like you can see it for yourself, is absolutely stunning. The strap is always here because if I want to wear it that way, the strap is still on me, so I always keep it in the bag. But just look at it. It's absolutely adorable. The quality is amazing. I have to say, for how affordable it is to me for a luxury bag, for a luxury item, it is worth it. It is absolutely worth it. The material is one of my favorite things, and here's why. Whenever I put my bags away, I like to clean them, right? If you're gonna invest the money or spend the money, your hard-earned money, you should take care of it. So I always wipe it down, and the material on here is perfect for that. So it remains super clean. And if you're someone that eventually wants to be able to resell your items so that you can purchase different ones, then you should take care of them. And the material on this bag is perfect for that. But yeah, I wanted to jump on here and talk about the upkeep. Is it worth it? It absolutely is. And I thought this was the perfect timing because not only is it an affordable luxury, we're coming closer to the holidays, and I can see this being the absolute perfect gift to give a beautiful person. It's such a luxury, sophisticated, and elegant bag, and I love it. I love it. Anyone out there considering what to get me as a gift, go ahead. Different colors. I absolutely love this bag. If you're interested, all the information will be in the description amongst other things. But before we go, even more importantly, they have a beautiful sale coming up from November 8th, I think, to December something. That will also be in the description. So not only is it already an affordable and amazing quality bag, you're gonna be receiving it with a 80% discount. So definitely keep it on the lookout. If I can already find the link, I'll put it in the description. But don't forget the date, okay? November 12th, I will be there. You should be there. Let's get luxury at an affordable price. And I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see if I can find any beautiful code for you, but again, it will be an 80% discount around that time. So definitely get you a teddyblake bag. Thank you again, teddyblake, so much for sponsoring this video.